Mask it along the edges of the face or product to simulate complex studio lighting. Adjust opacity to taste. This creates non-uniform light transitions similar to professional multi-source lighting rigs. Shadow anchors provide structural visual balance. Create a curves layer, pull down the shadow point slightly, and paint the effect selectively into areas that should feel grounded. Under the jaw, hair roots, clothing folds. Then add a soft light neutral gray layer and paint highlights in counterweight areas. This balancing act creates visual stability and depth in portraits or product images.